Where should I install an ELCB? I can provide some general information about ELCB installation. ELCBs are typically installed at the main switchboard to protect all circuits in your home. In some cases, additional ELCBs might be installed for specific circuits, such as those powering bathrooms, kitchens, laundry rooms, and swimming pools, where there is a higher risk of earth leakage due to moisture. The specific requirements for ELCB installation will vary depending on your local regulations and National Electrical Code. For the best advice on where to install an ELCB in your home, please consult with a qualified electrician.